I'ma just accept this win. Everybody needs a good human hair wig and they wig stash. And baby, I got mine. Hey queens, what's up? It's your girl Nene. Today I'm giving you a wig that is a fall must-have. I'm so excited to show you more wigs that look like real hair, and this one is a human hair wig from Jurllyshe Wig company. So this is an affordable $81 body wave wig. I'm going to show you guys how I style it, give you the pros, the cons, give you a 360, and I'm so excited to let you guys know all the tea on this unit. I missed you guys. I'm happy to have another upload. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you're happy to see me like I'm happy to see you. And let's go ahead and get into it. I'm using my flat iron right now. It's a regular flat iron. I usually use my wand curler, but for some reason, girl, curling is just easier with a flat iron sometimes. So I got some curls here. I'm setting it with my Got To Be Glue freeze spray, and then I'm gonna pull the curls out once I finish, but I have half of the hair done. And I'm really feeling this. Like, I feel like this is gonna look so cute. I'm so excited for y'all to see the final result. So again, this is the before. I just did not want to do straight. I wanted some curls because I kind of got like this little sunflower look going on. So yeah, you guys, if this is the first half, I'm gonna go ahead and do the second, and then I'll get into all the tea. Hey queens, welcome back to or welcome to my channel. It's your girl Nene, aka Queendom Mindset, and today I am bringing you a human hair slay. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. So if you guys are not familiar with my channel, I am going to give you the pros, the cons, the good, the bad. Okay, show you the back of this wig, flip, dip, put it in a split. And then we're going to head up out of here. So you guys, this is a sponsored wig review by a company formerly known as African Mall. Their new name is Jurllyshe. I hope I'm saying that right. But I will put everything in the description for you guys. They sent me over a human hair unit to show y'all. And I am excited, girl, okay? Because we honestly have been dibbling, dabbling our little toes in some human hair. And y'all have been liking it so far. So trust and believe it is still coming. So you guys, this is their 4x4 closure wig. Okay, this is human hair straight, and this is in the inch 16 inches. The hair is a Brazilian virgin hair. It's 150% density, and it also comes pre-plucked. Now, I know that's a lot, but we're gonna break it down. So let's just go ahead and get into those pros. So you guys, the pro of this wig begins with the density, y'all. This is a very natural density. It's not too thick, not too thin, and it's definitely perfect for this heat because, baby, where I'm at, it is hot. This low density is definitely good for me. I also want to note you guys that the pre-plug aspect that it's supposed to come with, I definitely feel like it is pre-plugged. It looks really good, and it was easy for me to lay and slay. And then another pro to this wig is that the cap size is big head friendly. Y'all know that's a personal pro because your girl is big head gang, okay? This is big head friendly. I'm not feeling any tightness or uncomfortableness. Very seldom is there a wig that has no cons. If there's a con, I best believe I'm gonna let you know about it. But this wig, honestly, I don't have any cons for. I was very shocked about that because usually there's like at least one thing that I don't like, but honestly, I don't have no cons for her. But I have a lot of facts that you need to know before you decide whether or not you're gonna buy this wig or not, so let's go ahead and hop into that. The first thing I want to let y'all know is that I did not experience any shedding or tangling with this unit. I did style this unit as you guys saw, and from me taking it out of the pack to me styling it, taking selfies, and me sitting in front of you spilling the tea right now, I have not had no shedding or tangling. I also want to let you guys know that it comes styled as the middle part. I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to shift it because it is a closure wig, but honestly, she was sitting pretty in this middle part, and I really don't even like middle parts like that. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just accept this win and leave it as a middle part. That's what I'm gonna do. The last thing y'all need to know about this wig is that price. Okay, cha-ching. So you guys, the starting price is at the 12-inch margin, and it runs for about $66. I told you guys I have this in the 16-inch, so that price does change, and the price changes to hold on, let me look, girl, so I can make for sure because I ain't got time. Here we go. Price changes to $81.18 for this in this length for what I'm looking at. Okay, now let me tell you something. I am so happy that this was under $100. $81, I would repurchase this because I really like this hair. And then also because, girls, less than $100. Everybody needs a good human hair wig and they wig stash. And baby, I got mine. And then another fact you guys need to know is that this wig did take good to heat. I did curl this entire wig with my flat iron. I didn't hear any okay, I didn't hear any sizzling, any crazy burning, okay, or anything like that. And that was really refreshing because, girl, ain't nothing more embarrassing than you think you're really styling something up and your weave is on the floor because you burnt it. So once again, I want to thank this company. I hope I'm saying it right. Jurllyshe, formerly known as African Hair Mob. Thank y'all so much for sending me out this unit. This is the second time I have reviewed for them, and both wigs I have really liked. But before you guys decide if you're gonna purchase or not, I need you to do one thing. And that's look over here to my left. I have created a playlist. The first wig that I reviewed for this company is listed up in this playlist as well. So make sure you guys go and check it out so you can decide which one that you want, okay? I love you guys so much. I hope to see you in the comments or in one of these videos. See you later. Bye.